The Decagon diamond cut in JANNPAUL's White Series collection took the industry by storm by revolutionizing the light performance of a diamond. Mounted on an 18-carat rose gold custom setting, lined with JANNPAUL's signature moulures, the Decagon displays an astonishing light return, allowing it to retain a bright and white appearance. What's unique about the Decagon is its 10 Hudson arrows and 10 perfect equal edges, which gives the Decagon an edge-to-edge brilliance and pattern scintillation. Under these diffused white light conditions, it's geared to remain bright and white even under tilted angles. In this video, we'll be showcasing this custom bespoke ring where it's one of our latest addition to our Petite Series collection. It features a unique pave setting style which intricately wraps along the edges of the band. Although this pave setting is common and seen among many classic diamond rings in the industry, this particular setting and its unique swirl creates a highly distinctive look that sets this bespoke ring apart from the rest. Each JP ring is also fully tailored to the wearer's preference, such as its main diamond's shape and size, the wearer's finger shape and profile, or even their lifestyle. With this in mind, JANNPAUL further creates an exclusive element in the form of a hidden halo, where milli diamonds are lined alongside the sides of the main Decagon. From afar, when viewed from a distance, a timeless and classic ring is seen. Yet, it allows one to enjoy a far more special and distinctive appearance up close and personal, at gravitating and tilted angles where the sides of the Decagon diamond ring are fully showcased and appreciated. This requires the synergy and commitment of the designer and master crafter in each project, and takes about 6 to 8 weeks for JANNPAUL to handcraft a ring into a masterpiece. The inner band is also done in an ergonomic and comfort fit style, where the inner ring is done slightly rounded to give the wearer the maximum comfort when wearing the ring daily. The comfort of the wearer is taken into account when designing each of their rings, with the strength and integrity of the design taking top priority. The Decagon under direct LED light reveals the diamond's fire and scintillation. These lighting conditions are commonly found in shopping malls, restaurants, or ballrooms, allowing your Decagon to display a mesmerizing firework display true to its highest potential. Under such tantalizing light display, it further brings your custom bespoke ring setting to life, where each JANNPAUL signature melee fully lights up, emphasizing and drawing attention to its delicate yet distinctive appearance. Any slight tilts will set off a symphony of intense colorful flashes from all varying angles of your custom rose gold ring. A natural outdoor lighting environment with no artificial lights, the Decagon displays colorful rainbow flares with a mixture of white brilliance. Under an everyday natural environment where your ring draws in various elements from the surroundings, which further heightens and solidifies its classic and enduring appeal. Its soft rose gold band casts an alluring look that highlights the wearer's hand profile, drawing a captivating and pure white colorful brilliance to the entire ring. With strong direct sunlight, this is where you'll see extreme starburst effects from even the slightest tilts in your main Decagon diamond. A highly reactive diamond, the Decagon will exhibit breathtaking firework displays with this intense light rays from the sun projected back into the wearer. Under intense natural sunlight, the soft rose gold ring lined with fully pave diamonds live up to its reputation by displaying enchanting and stunning rainbow flares, allowing all varying angles of your bespoke ring to look captivating from a far distance. We would like to thank all of our clients that are patiently and eagerly awaiting for your custom rings. We cannot wait for you guys to view them in person as well. Thank you for watching this little showcase. If you would like to see more of our videos, do press the like and subscribe button.